When it comes to ensuring the reliability and security of your vehicle's rear door, the tailgate latch lock actuator is a crucial component. Our replacement tailgate latch lock actuator is crafted from rust-proof steel housing, offering maximum durability to withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Designed with precision, this actuator is manufactured to OE specifications, ensuring a factory-fresh appearance and a perfect fit for a seamless replacement. This actuator is compatible with several popular models, including the 2009 to 2012 Ford Escape, 2009-2010 Mercury Mariner, and 2008 to 2011 Mazda Tribute. It is engineered with a dependable electronic motor and latch mechanism that guarantees smooth and efficient operation, making it the ideal choice for restoring your rear hatch functionality. The product is easy to install, with the OE connector helping ensure a solid, positive connection. It has undergone rigorous vehicle try-on testing, meaning you can rely on its excellent performance under various operating conditions. The actuator is also equipped with an enhanced locking mechanism to provide more reliable door locking functionality for your vehicle. With the added benefit of a 24-month warranty, you can feel confident in your purchase. If you're not completely satisfied with the rear hatch actuator, we offer a free replacement or refund to ensure your peace of mind. Many users have reported successful installation with significant savings compared to dealership prices. In fact, replacing the actuator yourself takes just 20 to 30 minutes, and with a few helpful YouTube tutorials, you can handle this job with ease. If you're looking for a high-quality, cost-effective solution to replace your faulty tailgate latch lock actuator, this product is the perfect choice. Click the link in the video description to purchase and restore your vehicle's functionality today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more automotive product recommendations and installation tips.